Is LipoMax really the secret to fast weight loss or just another flashy product with big promises? Let's take a quick look and see if it's worth trying. Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. LipoMax drops are marketed as a natural fat burning supplement that helps speed up metabolism and reduce cravings. The official site looks professional and highlights natural ingredients, but that doesn't always mean much. Digging deeper, there is no Trustpilot rating linked for LipoMax and no verified customer reviews on other major review platforms. According to a recent breakdown on malware tips, there are some serious red flags like exaggerated health claims and lack of transparency about the company behind the product. LipoMax drops doesn't or don't necessarily scream scam, but without solid reviews or clinical backing, it's hard to call them reliable. If you're considering it, be cautious, especially with products that promise fast weight loss without effort. Try LipoMax yourself. Drop your thoughts in the comments and stick around for more quick and honest reviews.